Okay, here we have the room at night time. We've been here on the boat now for a little while, and it's yeah, it's not too bad a room. A242. I've been looking over bits and bats. The dressing area I haven't really used properly, and there's the balcony area is perfectly usable balcony. We are currently steaming out of Kiddy's big double bed. Really good double bed. Dressing space area there. Perfectly good. There's mirrors everywhere. Massive mirror there. There's a massive mirror there. There's a double mirror on there. It's quite ridiculous. Lovely artwork on the sides. Side of the bed. Hello. Small TV, but then again, do you need a TV when you're on holiday? I don't think so. Little dressing table there. Got that dressing table, little coffee table. It's more than enough what you need. There's not the biggest room I've seen. Wardrobe space is absolutely ridiculous. Plenty of space. I believe you're safe in the middle. We put 2 suitcases on the top when you could have quite easily have gone under the bed. Actually, we're not actually looked under the bed yet. Oh, there's a box there. I guess probably cleaning stuff. Oh yeah, more towels. That was a cleaner. Leave them there. Make it easy for himself. At the side. I don't know what that is. Let's have a look. Oh, yeah, that's the luggage mat. Cleaner, obviously. Cleaner's been excellent for us so far. So he's yeah, keeping things close by. Plenty of light in here. Nice and cosy at night. Yeah. The only one problem is the heater. You either have it on hot, you have it on cold, which doesn't really do much. But you can't really turn it off. So your aircon up here kind of blows all night, which you get used to because you've got all the noise from outside anyway. Where I found out as well, when it's a really bad night, there's a gap in this room, in the corner there. Get the light back on. There's a gap in the seal, and there's not entirely brilliant seal on here. Part in the wall there comes out, but I've seen this on a lot. It just needs some silicone sealant down the side of them. Need a bit of maintenance work. Turn the lights off. These strip lights off here. Switch on the side if you wanted to. Curtain shut. It's alright, it's more than enough on what we need for a room for the time being. Cool, so that's nighttime version of, yeah, I'll go in the bathroom, but unfortunately somebody in there at the moment, so we'll leave that for later. If you're into your TV while you're on Ventura, a little bit of a, yeah, there's not too much. There's on the TV side, you've got a safety drill channel on channel 1, which tells you what you really do need to know, and if you didn't realise that in your original evacuation from your muster station when you first got on board, then you really should keep watching this. Channel 2 gives you Discover Ventura, which gives you a lot of tour guides and stuff. When you, because they do these in the arena downstairs as well, but they record them and put them on the TV. So it gives you a flavour of what the ports you're going to. Shore excursions as well will also show you what your future bookings could be if you want to go to Norway or you want to go to Saudi Arabia or anywhere in particular. It's mainly a sales sort of channel. Gives you chance to. There's more to the cruising than this cruise that you're on. Then you get to the standardish sort of TV, which is BBC World News, which gives you a constant 24 hours news channel. Then Sky News, again showing at the moment the weather for Friday. We're on Wednesday at the moment, but it's Friday. I'll show where we are at the moment. A bit of weather above where we are, top of Portugal. BBC HD on channel 6 will show you different stuff from the BBC. Look at with your soaps, you could do EastEnders and Alby City, or they'll do DIY SOS and all sorts of bits and bats, but nothing major that you need to stop in for, shall we say. Channel 7, that's Sports 24. I'll go through different sporting, mainly football on here, but not a big sports fan myself, but it's not too bad. I don't think if you're a sports fan it will be too bad actually watching that one. Just keep up on stuff. Ventura webcam. Currently this is the front view of the ship. We have not much in front of us. We've got a little bit of a rainbow there to the top left hand side, because it is kind of raining. It is kind of sunny. So it's nice to see what is in front of you when you don't want to open the curtains in the morning. Then you have your navigational info. Show you all the ship's company, main people in charge, time and speed you're going, the course we're going versus due north, with 20.9 knots. Showing you what the weather's like. Got 20 knot wind coming from the west, nearly the west, or direction, relative wind direction from the west. Then shows you tracking of where you are and where you were, the red line. Then zooms in to the next one, exactly where you are, which is kind of Lisbon's below, Porto's not far from here, I don't think. It shows you where you are and your original tracking. Final channel, the entertainment one, which basically has been showing us what our entertainment's director, whatever his name is, has been interviewing certain people for what guests are on board. They've also been showing us a World War II RAF guy came on. There's a few talks as well. So he's been showing us that. The other thing, if you press on the remote control, we'll put that into view, your TV button, it comes up with this menu. And you press right, go to the films, and you've got a lot of sections of films here, different types. So you press and select again the OK button in the middle, and you can go up and down with the up, down, left, right, or the channel up and down. It just goes through loads and loads of films that you can watch. Watch out, because there are some on here which you pay for, and some on here you wouldn't think you'd pay for, because they've been out a while. But yeah, there's something to watch there, something for everybody. No, I've not bedazzled. Not that good a film. But yeah, you keep going. On and on and on and on. Loads of films to watch. So that's your TV on Ventura, if you're interested in that. If not, just press this little button here, which is the off button, and turn off. And go visit the ship. Thank you. Right then, onto the bathroom. Now it's empty. Right. Obviously the week, well, nearly the end of the holiday. That's what the bathroom looks like. I mean, yeah, it's not a bad bathroom. There's a big, massive mirror on the wall there. Enough lighting. Towels. Shower area. Shame it's all plastic. You've got all the cheap plasticky sort of stuff. Towel floor, which there's enough grip on there, not bad. One bin for normals, one bin for specials, shall we say. So there's enough room in here to do what you want in here. So yeah, there's shelving, 3 shelves there for stuff you need. Extra space on the side, tissues, toilet roll. 2 bugbears in here, well actually 3 with this room specifically. One, this is an absolute pain when you sat down, taking the toilet roll off. So you have to lift the lid up and get this off. Plus it's held together with a wood screw. I know, it's not, it should just be riveted in like the other side, but it looks like it's falling out as well. So, one little bugbear. Two bugbear. Why is that always black? And there's a constant smell from this toilet as well of pee, but you don't smell it when the lid's down. Thirdly, your coat hanger set, your washing line doesn't retract. Doesn't kind of go in. Doesn't seem to have been sorted, so we left that up all the time we've been in here. I mean, all in all, it's not a bad bathroom. That shower's really good. Shower, back on the shower curtain. But we were alright on this one to start with, but then he changed the shower curtain for one that's shorter and kind of doesn't, if you've got any problems, it's going to get water all over the floor. But other than that, a perfectly usable toilet area. So, switches everywhere, switch on there. Doesn't go. Oh, another one thing. It's impossible to hang a towel upon these. It has to be a proper hook on something. They just fall straight off the too. Too smooth. So yeah. Well, that's our cabin. We've got a sea day today. Which a shame is the sea is quite rough indeed. But that's fine. Other than that, everyone's really good.